Jesus isn't black? How could you blacks ever think you were the Israelites? Say something unique.
Why does this Greco-Roman terracotta sculpture of a Hebrew look like a black person? Why does this Egyptian sculpture of a Semitic slave look like a black person?
Because-
Why do these Judean prisoners of war look awfully Negro-like? Why does Tacitus, a renowned 1st century Roman historian, say that many assured him that Jews were descended from Ethiopians?
that's-
Why did Karl Marx say the Israelites were Negroes in a letter from the 30th of July, 1862?
That's a lie.
Tell me, why does a map from 1588 from a Venetian cosmographer label the continent of Africa as the land of the Jews? Why was the slave coast of West Africa referred to as the Kingdom of Judah
It's a lie,
on
they're
several
not
maps
black.
from the 1700s? Let's assume that land in the Middle East is the Promised Land. In what world would it ever make sense for the Israelites to escape into Roman-occupied Europe
Wait.
rather than into Egypt,
Because-
where they've always went to hide,
No.
and then into Africa during the 70 AD war?
So
Why
what?
was the Hebrew word Yam Suf mistranslated into saying Red Sea when it actually means Sea of Reeds,
So
the
what?
word for reed suf being used to describe the basket Moses floated in the Nile?
Well, that's-
Wouldn't this mean that it wasn't the Red Sea that was crossed by the Israelites, but the River Nile,
Wait.
meaning Moses traveled from Egypt
No.
deeper into Africa?
No.
If all black people come from Ham, and Mizraim was a descendant of Ham, that makes the Egyptians black, which means by implication the Israelites
That's a
were
lie,
black
they're
as
not
they were
black.
constantly mistaken for Egyptians. Why does that fact bother you
Shut
so
up.
much?
Shut
Why do you
up.
think Jesus and his family escaped into Egypt where they wouldn't be spotted?
Shut
The
up.
Israelites
Shut up.
and
Shut up.
Egyptians
Shut
looked
up.
similar.
No!
The original Jews were black, nigga.